The coastal waters of Byron Bay, the most easterly point of Australia, are home to a diverse array of subtropical marine life. The beautiful beaches, top surf breaks and diving attracts many visitors and tourists to the region. Byron Bay is also known for being one of the best locations in Australia to observe whales and dolphins, which hold high cultural significance to the Arakwal people. Each year, our dedicated Dolphin Research Australia team of volunteers makes observations from the iconic Cape Byron Lighthouse and from vessels, collecting data on the behaviour, movement patterns, habitat, communication and social groupings of dolphins in the area. In 2003, Dr. Liz Hawkins began the Byron Bay Dolphin Research Project, which was the first detailed study into the population of dolphins. The long-term research and monitoring project focuses on key aspects of the dolphin's ecology to aid in the understanding of the requirements for survival. We have currently identified over 700 individual Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphins, which we've catalogued into our database. We estimate this is not all of the dolphins that move in and out of our area. From the boat, we take photographs of each dolphin's dorsal fin, which can be used for individual recognition. The unique patterns of nicks and notches on the dorsal fin can essentially act as a fingerprint, allowing us to recognise individual dolphins. We have established a comprehensive catalogue of individual dolphins that we've identified over the last 10 years. Each season we add to this database, matching individuals we've seen before and adding individuals we've never seen before. And all of this data provides valuable insights into the population abundance, trends and structure, in addition to establishing individual life histories, which can only be determined through long-term research and monitoring programs. Being a subtropical area where tropical currents from the north converge with cooler temperate currents from the south, the Byron Bay area is dynamic and attracts seasonal movements of higher predators. As a result, at certain times of year, we can have lots of dolphin action and sometimes can encounter hundreds of dolphins in mass feeding aggregations as they all converge on the migratory prey species that have assembled in the region. We can not only encounter Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphins, but several other species as well, including common dolphins and Indo-Pacific humpback dolphins. Yet within such a dynamic system, our work has identified two small Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphin female communities that are resident all through the year. These females and their calves are highly site-specific and have areas within their range that are of great importance to their survival. These areas we have identified as critical. It is where our resident mothers and calves rest, socialise and teach their young on an almost daily basis. These communities of mothers and calves also frequent our local estuaries and inner reefs where they forage for prey. It's these resident communities in particular that our work focuses on, as these females and their young are subject to the highest exposure from human activities. It is important to understand key aspects of dolphin ecology, as being top predators, they are also indicators for the health of our marine ecosystems. Dolphins live in a difficult, dynamic and diverse world and are sensitive to environmental change and exposure to poor quality food, declines in prey species and competition for food resources, as well as decreased water quality and increasing interaction with human industries, including tourism. Each of these stresses can have dire long-term consequences for our dolphin populations, particularly the more resident mother-calf communities, if we're not looking after them. It is only through long-term observation projects such as this that we can truly begin to have a better picture of the entire environment and how ecosystems and species respond to change and how we can improve conservation and protective measures. Along with our dedicated team of volunteers, our work relies on donations and grants. Our work with our project partners, the Cape Byron Marine Parks and Go Sea Kayaks in Byron Bay, we are striving to ensure sustainable tourism and human use of the environment to keep the dolphins safe and their environment healthy into the future.